Today we're going to explain step by step how to activate or deactivate two-step verification. Sometimes it's good to activate it, sometimes it's not good to activate it because sometimes there are people who have this verification activated. Sometimes we have the phone number included in this verification, sometimes over time we lose those phone numbers. What happens is that when we lose our phone and want to recover two-step verification, sometimes it doesn't work. Why? Because it verifies with our phone number or perhaps with an alternate email address. Well, an alternate email address is fine, but for those people who have those old, outdated phone numbers and want to change them or simply disable two-step verification, I'm going to explain all the steps so you can do it too. The first thing we're going to do is easy and quick. We go to Settings. Then we look for the Accounts or Google option. We select Accounts. We select the account we want to verify, and we select Google account. Then it takes us to this section. We'll find the security option. We select it here, and we'll find two-step verification. Sometimes when you enter it, it will ask you about the screen lock. If you have a fingerprint, you'll add it. So add it, add all that. When you add the screen lock and fingerprint, what do you do next? You scroll down here. And here we'll find the phone number option. Here we'll tap where it says to turn off two-step verification. We're going to turn it off here, you're going to save it, and you'll have this message, turned on or off, as you wanted. There are many people who see this.